Hello traders, investors, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the long uh, absence as I was a little sick and I'm still having some sore throat. And I apologize for that. So as you can see, traders, especially Forex traders, I'm here trading USD JPY, the US dollar versus yen, which is one of my best uh, pairs to trade. I only trade one pair in forex. So I placed this morning. I placed a buy trade, a long trade with only three uh, lots, and I'm here saying to traders, to especially beginners, that it's never too late or impossible to bring uh, your account from a small account to a higher, a little bit higher, bigger account. You have to go like slowly, step by step, and be sure of what you're doing. And um, if you uh, if you have the right tools in your hands, you're gonna make it. Yeah, you always have a goal to reach in front of your eyes. We're going toward our target. I'm making some 500 or $600 now, which is pretty awesome. I normally put the trailing stop that trails my profits, but here I'm not. I'm just I put the stop loss at the bottom here. As you can see, I'm not having too many indicators on my chart. I don't like to have my chart full of indicators so I can barely see what is going on my chart. I just as simple as that. So I just have one and only indicator, which is the 57 moving average, which is normally 50 moving average, but with my specific parameters, I changed, made some tweaks and changed that to make it uh, 57 moving average. This is a colored moving average that shows you when there is a sell, there is a red color, and when there is a buy, it is a green color. It is really awesome and really so powerful. It works so well. I also trade using volume. By the way, this is my broker, IC Market. So they are trustworthy and they are really reliable. And yeah, we're moving forward. Here when we have like I trade on the 15 minutes, but I uh, make my structure and analysis on the one 1 hour. As you can see, it's confirmative here. We have a full candle, green candle. It's on above, right above the moving average that we had like uh, a rebound just above the moving average, which is a confirmation that the bulls are taking over and pushing the market higher. So yeah, actually, Yeah, this is pretty awesome. I usually use trend lines to make my structure. And so, guys, if you would like me to show you how to place those, how to draw those trend lines, and how to make your structures, just let me know below on the comments, and I'll be very happy to show you and share um, my strategy with you and how I change parameters and etc. Also, as you can see, I rely a lot on the volume. I see the volume, and this is a very powerful thing, which is the standard deviation that I observe a lot, and I see when the standard deviation is moving higher. That means momentum is in the market, and I go right away to the 15-minute chart and place my trade. I'm very close to my target. um, as you can see here, the standard moving average is moving higher, and the volume is waking up, giving us more confirmation to stay in our trade and be profitable. Yeah, we're almost $800 with only three lots. If you make like for smaller accounts, like this is a 3,000 account, my target is to bring it up to 10,000 within a week or so. If you can make like 700, 8 to $1,000 a day, that's enough for you. Don't be so greedy. Don't be ridiculous in your trading, and never over trade. Just make your trading as simple as it should. Yeah, so as you can see here, those trend lines showed us like where the price uh, actually the price action behavior. It as you can see exactly on the line, and then uh, that's a false breakout. That's a fake one, and then rebounded, and then stayed above, crossed the moving average with strength within the volume, and standard deviation also moved higher, and the price stayed above this trend line and above the actually it consolidated here on Friday. It was like just sorry, on Monday yesterday, as yesterday was a bank holiday in the United States, so that there was nothing much going on happening yesterday. And today, actually, this is a consolidation trading range, and then, but as you can see, it was mostly green here, showing us that the market is trying to move higher, and this is what happened this morning, uh, Greenwich time, uh, GTM time, which is one plus hour. It's before the US opening time, but What I like in the USD JPY is that almost all the day you have opportunities to trade. If you trade like uh, in the Asian time, you can have some. I never trade on the Asian session because it's too late for me. I need to sleep. And also, if you trade during the the British, the London session, you can also have some good trades. But normally, I trade during the data release, the economic calendar. I watch trading like investing.com, and I look at the economic calendar. I see what's gonna happen. What's up? What's coming up here? Yeah, we have something very which is Joel's job openings. I'm gonna trade that later, and I'm gonna make another video to show you how I do trade during the news and how I make significant profits using my strategy, which is simple. I also look at the trading view, as you can see here, uh, the 15 minutes chart is showing us the US dollar index that is moving higher. So the higher it moves, the higher the USD JPY moves as well. So it is very important to look at the US dollar index, and I'm gonna show you how I do watch that closely, especially during the news release. It's very, very, very important. And for there is a correlation between the US dollar index and gold. For people who trade gold, you always have to watch the US dollar index during the news release and see its behavior. If it moves higher, that means gold is gonna move lower, as you can see here. This is gold. It's very, very important to watch the US dollar index. So as you can see here, the dollar, the gold, which is versus US dollar, uh, apparently it moves on to the opposite side. You see, so always during the news release, always have the US dollar index in front of you. Just write on at the time of the release, news release, watch. First you have to do is to look at the US dollar index and see its direction, its movement. When it moves, and that's gonna be very volatile, very, very fast. If it moves higher, go and you're trading gold, go and place a sell order. If it moves down here, go to gold and place a buy order and maneuver your stop loss. And just if you learn how to trade that during the news release, um, be sure that you're gonna make a lot of money and you're gonna be profitable. So this is it for now, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video and you learned something from it. So please, if you have any questions or anything you would like to know about futures or forex, please drop me a line in the comments section, and I'll be sure to answer every one of you. Well, happy trading and see you soon. Bye.